Hello, my name is Amardip Banerjee. My roll number is 21MI33002. For the DIY Arduino assignment, I have created an LED board. This automatic LED board glows the letter A in RGB LEDs with blue and green colors alternatively. The red LEDs at the back also glow with the same frequency. I have used two servo motors which also rotates to an angle 180 degree with the same frequency as the LEDs. I have also induced a speaker. The speaker plays two notes each 4 times with the same frequency as the LEDs. The servo motors can be adjusted to manual and automatic using this switch. This switch converts the servo motors functioning from automatic to manual, and this whether the servo motors are in automatic or manual is indicated by this red LED which glows when the servo motors are in manual mode. In automatic mode of the servo motors, the oscilloscope shows us the number of operations of the servo motor in 40 milliseconds time. Each division of oscilloscope is of 4 milliseconds and there are 10 divisions. In manual mode, the multimeter shows us the voltage across the potentiometer, and this potentiometer dial can be adjusted to adjust the rotation angle of the servo motors in manual mode. The potentiometer attached to the speaker helps us regulate the loudness of the speaker. The red LEDs and the blue light operation of the RGB LEDs are controlled by the pin 4, while the green light operation of the RGB LEDs are controlled by the pin D2, as can be seen here. D4 and D2 are digital pins. The control of the servo motors are controlled by the pins D10 and D9, both of which are digital pins. D10 and D9 are pulse wave modulation digital pins. All resistances used in the circuit are of resistance 1 kilo ohm each. The manual operation of the servo motors are controlled by the pin A0, which is an analog pin, while the speaker is controlled by the pin D8, which is the digital pin. Let us now see the code block used for this operation. This is the code block which controls the operation of this circuit. As can be seen here, I have used a variable output value which I have created, and also the speaker plays the tones 50 and 60. Let us now see the operation of the circuit. As can be seen, the LEDs show the letter A in green and blue colors alternatively. When the blue color lights up, the red LEDs also light up. The servo motors are also rotating accordingly, and the speaker is also playing those two notes. Now let us convert it into manual mode. As can be seen, in manual mode, the red LED starts glowing. Now the voltage across the potentiometer is 0 volt, as can be seen in the multimeter. If I increase the dial a bit, as can be seen, now 100 millivolts, and the servo motors have rotated. Now again converting it into automatic mode. This potentiometer dial, if I rotate it a bit, the loudness is decreasing of the speaker. So this dial is used to control the loudness. Let us now take the code from the code blocks and convert it into text and copy it and see if it compiles in the Arduino IDE. Here I have copied it. Now we are in the Arduino IDE. Let's see after pasting the code if it copies, if it compiles. As can be seen, compilation is in process. So it has been compiled, indicating that my code is perfectly correct. Thank you.